Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rancilio CB Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it just needed a tune-up. So we ended up replacing the shower screen, this one, which wasn't in good condition to be honest, and the gasket as well, but this one needed to be replaced. You can kind of see some cracks all around it, especially around here on this side. You can pretty much see them, so it definitely needed to be replaced. And now we also descaling the machine and pretty much deep clean the steam one. It was in really bad condition, this one, so now it's working perfectly fine. So let's test the machine. It's a little bit hard when you don't have a tray because you don't have the right distance, otherwise it will be right here. And also the grind is a little bit too far for this machine. But as you can see, good crema and good color. Also the hot water one. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to multiply this every day.